Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Which of the following is considered a negative symptom of schizophrenia? The correct answer is alogia. Alogia, poverty of speech, is a negative symptom of schizophrenia, while delusions and hallucinations are positive symptoms. Sariyana Badil. Question 2. According to DSM-5 criteria, a diagnosis of major depressive disorder requires the presence of at least how many symptoms, including depressed mood or anhedonia, for at least 2 weeks? D.A. Semendil. The correct answer is 5. According to DSM-5, a diagnosis of major depressive disorder requires 5 or more symptoms for at least 2 weeks, including depressed mood or anhedonia. Sariyana Badil, 5. D.A. Semendil, 5. Question 3. Which of the following is generally considered the first-line mood stabilizer for the acute treatment of mania in bipolar I disorder? I. The correct answer is lithium. Lithium is an established first-line mood stabilizer for acute mania in bipolar I disorder. Sariyana Badil. I. Question 4. A patient presenting with recurrent, unexpected panic attacks, accompanied by symptoms such as palpitations, sweating, trembling, and fear of losing control, is most likely suffering from which of the following? The correct answer is panic disorder. Recurrent, unexpected panic attacks are the hallmark of panic disorder. Sariyana Badil. Question 5. What is the immediate pharmacological intervention for reversing an acute opioid overdose? The correct answer is naloxone. Naloxone rapidly reverses the effects of an acute opioid overdose by blocking opioid receptors. Sariyana Badil. Question 6. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs, primarily exert their antidepressant effects by which mechanism? SSRIs? The correct answer is increasing serotonin availability in the synaptic cleft. SSRIs increase the availability of serotonin in the synaptic cleft by inhibiting its reuptake, leading to antidepressant effects. Sariyana Badil. SSRIs. Question 7. Which atypical antipsychotic is most commonly associated with a significant risk of agranulocytosis, requiring regular blood monitoring? The correct answer is clozapine. Clozapine is the only antipsychotic that requires regular blood monitoring due to the risk of agranulocytosis. Sariyana Badil. Question 8. A new mother experiences persistent sadness, fatigue, feelings of worthlessness, and difficulty bonding with her baby, starting within 4 weeks of childbirth. This clinical picture is most consistent with The correct answer is major depressive disorder with peripartum onset. Symptoms of depression starting within 4 weeks of childbirth indicate major depressive disorder with peripartum onset. Sariyana Badil. Question 9. Which characteristic differentiates a hypomanic episode from a manic episode in bipolar disorder? The correct answer is absence of psychotic features and less severe impairment. Hypomania involves less severe symptoms than mania, no psychotic features, and less functional impairment. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. Repetitive behaviors or mental acts that an individual feels driven to perform in response to an obsession, or according to rules that must be applied rigidly, are known as. The correct answer is compulsions. Compulsions are repetitive behaviors or mental acts performed in response to an obsession, characteristic of obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD. Sariyana Badil. OCD. Question 11. A fixed, false belief that is not amenable to change in light of conflicting evidence and is not consistent with the individual's cultural background is defined as a. The correct answer is delusion. A delusion is a fixed, false belief that is not based in reality and is contrary to the individual's cultural context. Sariyana Badil. Question 12. Electroconvulsive therapy, ECT, is generally considered a highly effective treatment for severe depression, especially when associated with which of the following features? ECD. The correct answer is psychotic features or severe suicidality. ECT is an effective treatment for severe depression, particularly in cases with psychotic features or severe suicidality. Sariyana Badil. ECD. Question 13. Recently, Operation Tufan was conducted by the Kozhikode City Police, leading to the registration of 57 narcotics cases. This operation is primarily aimed at combating which issue? 57. The correct answer is substance abuse and drug trafficking. Operation Tufan aimed to combat substance abuse and drug trafficking in Kozhikode. Sariyana Badil. AI. The correct answer is to assist physicians in tasks like data analysis and diagnostics. Experts believe AI can assist physicians in tasks like data analysis and diagnostics, rather than replacing them entirely. Sariyana Badil. AI. Question 15. Recent calls from physicians advocate for the revival of the family doctor system. What is a key benefit often associated with this system in healthcare delivery? The correct answer is ensuring comprehensive, continuous, and personalized patient care. The family doctor system helps improve healthcare by providing comprehensive, continuous, and personalized care to patients. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.